ज्याला महिला माता म्हणून कळाली तो जिजाऊचा शोभा झाला. ज्याला महिला बहीण म्हणून कळाली तो मुक्ताईचा ज्ञानदेव झाला. ज्याला महिला मैत्रीण म्हणून कळाली तो राधेचा श्याम झाला. आणि ज्याला महिला पत्नी म्हणून कळाली तो सीतेचा राम झाला. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the Women's Day. Yesterday the whole world glorifies the deeds of women on the occasion of the International Women's Day. Why it is celebrated? I am going to unfold the reasons behind it. Even the God doesn't discriminate between man and woman. So who are we to discriminate the genders? We should not discriminate the genders, the equalities. Earlier, the woman's role was only limited to the household or house chores. But in this 21st century, there is no place where women are not working, and even they are not dependent on their financial needs. I would like to say that every home, every heart, every feelings, every thoughts, every occasion, every event, even the society is incomplete without the existence of women, because they are really the backbone, the architecture of the society. I have read a book named The Greatest Creation of God in Marathi, भगवंताची उत्कृष्ट कलाकृती, written by परमपूजनीय पांडुरंग शास्त्री आठवले. In that, the book explains that God made man first, but what were the lacunas were there in the man, he completed and glorified the woman afterwards. Let me justify this quote. We men and women both have voice, but the melody is added with the woman only. Even both man and woman have heart, but the compassion, the love, the affection, the sympathy, empathy, all these qualities are there in the hearts of women. That's why we should not discriminate and we should honor them. If we study honestly and think positively, we believe that women are stronger than men. I mean it. I don't want here to challenge the power of man, but yes, women are stronger than us. Let me give two examples. Dear Amdantis, give me answer. Can man live forever with a stranger woman after his marriage? No, not at all. But women does it very clearly. After her marriage, she lives happily forever with that man. Even consider him as a pati dev. She never think of about her identity. Even her name gets changed after the marriage. And she works honestly because she has devotion and sacrifices for the family. Secondly, she bears the unbearable pain when she gives the birth to the child. And really, because of her all qualities, God only bestowed her to give or to become a mata, that is mother. Let me quote the statement of Hillary Clinton from the 4th World Conference for Women. I quote, "Human rights are women rights, and women rights are human rights, once for all. It reaffirmed that equal opportunities for women is not a gift, but it's a right." I unquote. On this very occasion, I request you all not to discriminate and underestimate the power of women, because we are the product of a mother. We should remember it. At last, not but the least, I would like to conclude my speech with the 4 lines of Bhavgit. I request you all to sing after me. Will you do, dear Amnandis? Yeah. I will have 4 lines only. Say after me. तू अबला तू ललना ना तू सेरेंद्री. I repeat, be concentrated. तू अबला तू ललना ना तू सेरेंद्री. तू दुर्गा तू चंडी उठ पुरंद्री महिला तू माता तू आदिमशक्ती शौर्याची गाथा तू ईश्वर मूर्ती त्यागपते रूपवती आणि सुंदरी तू दुर्गा तू चंडी उठ पुरंद्री रामाची सीता तू गवळण हरीची जाशीची राणी तू वीज गगनीची तारक तू रक्षक तू उठ जडकरी तू दुर्गा तू चंडी उठ पुरंद्री तू अबला तू ललना तू सरेंद्री तू दुर्गा तू काली उठ पुरंद्री Thank you, dears. Henceforth, we will not discriminate and we will not underestimate. Doesn't matter. She is my friend, my brother, sister, my mother, grandmother, whatever in the society. We will honor and respect with all the women. Thank you. Jai Hind.